everyone, welcome back to multi-channel YouTube services and entertainments. This video will be about laptop resetting, and if you got any laptop, even if you try to reset it and from local Windows and reinstall the window from the same laptop again, the laptop is still not functional as you bought it first time, or it could be the virus or anything else in a setting, something done not right and stuck there, and the computer is slow. So same situation I have here. This laptop was super fast when I bought it first time, but as you know, kids using it and play games and stuff like that, and things can be changed after using it, especially when it's something like a download software or something, especially those softwares trying to download from kind of a website, and even when after when you're using them, they do some bad thing to your computer setting. Even if you install them, reset your computer, no matter what you do, the computer won't work as the same as you bought it first time, or to be reset factory default factory reset. So this video will be resetting the computer or laptop from a USB media drive. USB media drive has to be over 4 GB free formatted. This one I have 16 GB. First, what you need to do on if your computer has no access to the internet or it's super slow, just like mine, this one, it was super fast, now it's super slow, and I reset it 2 times, not install the window from a USB media drive, but from the Windows already installed in the hard drive, and it didn't work 2 times, and still the computer is slow, and has basically I deleted everything. Of course, like when you try to go here, type reset this any laptop for like Windows 10, and you can choose either, like, let's say if you choose get started, this one, keep my file, remove everything, and so here you can see you have 2 options: cloud, which is unfortunately I don't have download and reinstall window from the cloud drive, I don't have that. Local, that's what is I tried to do 2 times, and still the computer super slow, it didn't solve the problem. So we will walk you through together how to make your computer exactly like a factory default reset, removing completely everything, and even if it's kind of really stuck virus or wrong setting done on in a computer or the laptop, this will help to remove everything and make your computer fresh again without wasting any time or so. So if you press here local, this of course will guide you to change here. If you remove reinstall change setting, if you press here and choose clean data, of course choose yes, and Windows clean, and then press confirm. This will help you to solve the problem. But if your laptop has no, this is the latest update, if you don't have this latest update in your Windows 10, the second option is to go through this USB media. So what you need to do first, of course, you have to go like to this is the press on the File Explorer, this PC properties, and you can see here which Windows you are running, system type 64 or 80, 86 or so. This is, you need to make sure which Windows type you are running on your laptop. So here, as you see, it's a 64-bit operation system. Some of them 32 or 80 or so, 86 or so, and which type of Windows you are using. So right now, as you see, there's edition Windows 10 Professional and Windows 10 Home Edition, or so on. So just remember system type 62 and 62 operation, 62-bit operation, and the edition Windows 10 Pro Professional, and that's it. All you need to know, all those 2. So okay, now if your computer has no update or no access to the internet, or very slow, you can't do, it takes just forever to do any kind of thing in your laptop because it's completely, the virus locked everything and it's pretty bad. What you need to do is try to use a second laptop if you have. And what you need to do, go to Google, write Windows 10. Here you see download Windows 10. Click in this. Here you see if you like, as I mentioned before, some of those Windows 10, they keep updating every time, and if you don't have the latest updates, you don't have option to delete everything, and the virus will be there even when you try to reset your laptop or so on. So scroll down a little bit, and here you can see create Windows installation media. Click here. Here you can see downloading media start, and when it's done, click again to open it. Click yes, and so I had a laptop before, and which is pretty much very, it takes long time to access the internet, to download and everything, because it has really bad setting on entire system on the laptop is corrupted, and I had to use a different laptop to download this media. Of course, just say accept, and now you need to find a media USB media storage, insert to the in here, and once you insert, if the USB has some kind of files or so, if the Windows asks you to format, say yes, format it to default setting. You got two options: update this PC now or create. So press in the second one, next, and choose the language and everything. As you see here, edition Windows 10. So if you don't know about your edition, which window you're using, home or pro or business or so on, this automatically will find the right Windows edition and will download it. See, this option tells you use recommended option for this PC, so click on this one. But if you're using different laptop and that laptop has a different edition, then don't choose this and choose manually. So click next, and here you see you have two options also: USB flash drive, which is this one I already have, or you have iOS file, which is you need a DVD. And of course this laptop has no DVD, external DVD, and then this option actually it's kind of takes longer. You need to burn it to ISO image and stuff like that, but this is the fastest way and the easiest way, USB. And so when you click next, this will see, I already have this window installed in this one, but just to show you the procedure how to do it, and it's so simple. Follow the instruction and everything. And if you have two USB, click refresh and will ask you. So mine is D, this one is already. As soon as you click next, will download and install fresh brand new Windows from Microsoft Office, Microsoft.com to your USB flash drive. Once it's done, then go back again to your computer, and so I'll just close everything here because I already installed it and it's already in my USB flash drive. So okay, now when you have several options to install the window from USB. Today we're just gonna go to the easiest and fastest way, but when you restart your computer, you can boot from. This is the hardest way. We're not gonna go through that, it'll take time. So all you need to do, when the USB, sometimes as soon as you insert the USB storage flash drive in, there's a message that if autoplay, if you have a latest window, automatically the installation will start and guide you to until it's finished. But I don't have that option, so I'll choose File Explorer. Here I'll choose this PC, and I have this. So double click. Here you see all the new Windows installation and everything here. Click Setup. When you click Setup, yes, and so we'll wait and see. It'll take a few minutes just to preparing and everything, and but it's so simple. Here you choose I want help my installation better. Yes, choose this, and if you change how to See, download update driver optional feature recommended. So yeah, that's, keep that on. It's really important. And let's click next. Now it's checking for update. As before, if your Windows has no update, latest update, there will be a lot of options you don't see, and you can't reset your computer to the factory default reset. So right now, just wait and see what next installation guide will tell us. Here you see application notice, license, and everything. Click accept, and now it's getting update. So as we mentioned before, this update will determine which Windows you need to install in your laptop, and we mark that option, so just in case. And this will take a couple minutes or so. I'll just pause the video for now. Installing Windows 10. Keep personal. I don't want to keep my personal file or app. I want to change or delete entire thing, because if I choose this, basically the problem will stay there, it won't change. So click here. You have three options, as you see, and keep your personal, keep your file, personal files only. But I want to remove everything. Everything will be deleted, include file, app, and setting. So I click here, and then next. So, and well, this will take also maybe 3-4 minutes or so. Choose this. Now as soon as I click next, the processor will start and will take every time, you know. But now we'll keep this as is, and we'll go to type reset, because I did latest update. Now I might have that option I was just showing you. Keep my file, remove everything, and so download. Remove app, file, change. Now I'll click change. Here you see I have this option. Before I don't have it. And this option also, it works well if you're trying to sell your computer or to make it as a factory default reset again. Choose both of those to make sure nothing, no bad setting or any kind of virus or anything corrupted to the Windows setting. So here you see pretty much clean the drive completely. Everything takes maybe hours or minutes or so. Download, install the window, and now I'll click. So right now, because I have this option, I will not do the media installing for now, since this option was missing before. Now I already have it. This will also should help the problem. So I'll click confirm. Now you can see current setting, remove app, file, clean the drive. This is very important. When you see this, that means the computer will start to refresh again. Download, install, change. Let's see if I click change setting. I already choose both, which is good. Now confirm. And next. Ready to reset this PC like that. So I click reset. And by the way, very important also, you need to plug your computer to the power supply, just in case, because if you have a low battery, if the computer kind of running on low battery and it shuts off, then you have a major problem, because okay, so this also I have to restart my computer because I'm doing it 2 times and it's not working. So I'll just do restart my PC. Okay, by the way, here are some important tips. Before you reset your laptop, first what you need to do is make sure you need to update Windows update. So if you go to Windows update and make sure you have latest update, even though see I still have getting updates, it might solve the problem for you before you reset the laptop. So you can try those steps, you know, if can be solved, but it just, I'm showing you, for me, not restart now. Oh, yeah, restart required. So you can do update, restart, and see if this can help fix the problem, or fixing why laptop is super slow. Also, see when you reset, if I type reset this PC, you got options here. So the first one, as you see, keep my file or remove everything. If you want to sell your PC, even if you press here, you got cloud from your the cloud drive you want to install there, I don't have that option, or you have the second one, local. And even if you press this and you change, and if you want to select your computer or make sure it's completely fresh, click on both those. And okay, now I'm just gonna cancel this. Here, advanced option, if you click here, okay, so now this is kind of more professional and need kind of skills and knowledge about this type of options. Here, restart, exit, doing nothing. Your computer or laptop will start again. USB. So if you have USB, this you can also use this to install the window from USB. Troubleshooting. You can turn off this PC. Troubleshooting also give you kind of different options here. Reset this PC. If you click here, keep my file or remove everything. And also if you go back, advanced here, and this kind of start, let's go to, yeah, so start repair, fix problem that keep window from loading. Here's one option. Second option is startup window clean, change windows, startup behavior and stuff like that, command. This is kind of more for professional people can use this instead of wipe the entire Windows in your laptop. If you update your system and you find out there was kind of problem, you can remove recent install feature of the Windows. Also, you can choose this, and now UEFI fireware setting. Also, this I'm not really familiar with this much. On the fastest, maybe other option, restore system. If you click here, you have also to reset it to the latest or the best date when your laptop was working fine. So I don't have it here, but you can choose it when Windows is on. Now the Windows is restarting. I don't have this option. So slow laptop could mean also other things, like if your laptop battery is kind of a weak or not really working well, this can lead to slow your laptop. Also the power supply, if you don't have the right voltage, that could lead to slow your laptop also. So you need to make sure you have the right power supply for your right laptop. Restart now. And here are the second option I want to go with, use USB and setup. So here you use a device diagnosed, you got 6 different type of option, and boot menu, stuff like that. Setup. So I'll choose setup because I'm kind of really not sure if this, after updating and everything, this kind of fixed the problem for me. The time configuration, stuff like that, and setup, network, and everything else here. This will take time to explain about everything, but fingerprint, security, chip, and everything, time and update, configuration, USB. If you want to go directly here, if you got some problem with your kind of low booting or so, you can choose this. But I want to keep everything the same since I don't have any problem with this setting. Exit, saving change, exit, discard the change. So I'll choose the second one, exit, discard the change. Loading setting default, you can choose this also, and exit, discard the change, discarding the change. And now I'll did the update and everything, and I want to make sure, so change, I'll choose both of those. Hopefully this time will work. Confirm, next, and we'll see what happens. Here you see message, remove everything, personal file. I'll click reset, downloading settings. Now this time, after this PC restart and do update and everything, now it has the right options to do the complete successfully reset to the default factory setting. So we talked about earlier about the USB flash drive. I choose to go to the local Windows installed already in this laptop and see what happens. So after, when it was downloading and updating and everything, the computer, the laptop is restarting, and it's counting now 2%. This will take about approximately 10 or maybe 20 minutes or so. And this method we're doing right now, resetting the laptop from the local Windows, which is already installed, protected on the hard drive of this laptop. And so when I tried it before to reset the laptop without wiping entirely everything, I didn't have that option though, because the Windows was not updated, didn't have the latest update, so it didn't fix the problem for me, and the laptop was slow again and again. It's been about I would say half an hour. So now 100% done, and the computer is restarting. So this message, it tells me configuration change was requested to clear this computer TPM. TPM means Trusted Platform Module, and I have to press yes, because if I press F9, that means to confirm, or escape to reject. So I'll press the F9. Now the computer is restarting, and it should reinstall the window from the local internal Windows hard drive. Installing window, and this should take about another few minutes too. I'll pause this video again, and we'll continue the setup new window after. When you see this blue screen when installing window, you'll see the kind of a blinking black screen, and also start blinking. That's normal. Please just don't forget to, if you like this video, please like and share, subscribe, check out other videos in our multi-channel. We upload videos regularly. At this stage, it's important not to, as I said, do not turn your PC, do not turn off your PC. Basically, if you turn it off, you will lose everything, and you have to restart from zero. If the computer shut off accidentally or for any reason, when you start the computer, you will see only black screen. It tells you there is no Windows installed, so you need to use the USB flash drive to restart fresh installing Windows, and it will take also maybe an hour or so to complete everything. That's why it's important to plug your power supply in always, and make sure the battery is fully charged and everything, just in case for backup or so. And so now we choose to wipe everything, data, Windows, app, everything basically, even my own setting, to restart factory fresh Windows setting. And this will hopefully to solve the problem why the laptop was slow. And you'll see now restarting again. So I think in Windows, while installing, it'll keep restart again and again until walks you through the setup, everything. As you see now, it's still installing, 73% done so far. After when the window is installed, it'll guide you to do the other setting and stuff. So here you see, choose your language, and now region, and now you choose your kind of language. Here, if you want to add second keyboard layout, I don't have one. And internet connection also. After, when you enter the password for your internet connection, of course there's like a 5G is the fastest, 5th generation, or regular, whatever you have internet connection at home. Windows 10 license agreement, so you can read all this, and or just you have to accept actually, otherwise it won't let you complete the setup. So business or organization, personal or organization, just for personal use. If you have a business, you can choose the second option, which is for organization. Here you can skip this. If you sign offline here, if you want to sell your laptop, you don't have to put your email, your account for Microsoft. So use this option here, offline. You press there, and this will guide you to here it says limited experience, which is if you want to go back to your account, or click next to continue. And once you click next, it'll ask you about just name this laptop anything. Put 4 PIN as a password or so, and that's it. Nothing will be personal when you want to sell your laptop. But I want to keep this laptop, so I'll go back to put my email and continue. So here, as you see, who is going to use this laptop, you can just put any type of name and without putting your account, and continue. So, but as I said, I'm gonna keep this laptop, so I'm going back again. I'm gonna put my email, and just that option, you can create account if you don't have one, or sign with a security key if you have one, or selling my laptop, choose the offline account, and so on. After, when you put your Microsoft email or account, here it tells you if you want to do fingerprint, and so I'll skip this for now. Skip. I'll just use create a pin. Create a pin is choose a letter by just click on the include letters or samples or so, and next. Here, let Microsoft app use your location and everything. I basically choose yes to everything. Some people, as a security, they choose no or so, but here you can read, and for better experience, find my device. This is important, actually. If someone lost, if someone lose his laptop or stalling or anything, so this is important to find my device. Choose yes. I click yes to everything here. Even this one, send diagnosed data and everything, and it's better actually. Yeah. Typing and everything, accept. And for kind of like people really curious and so on, they choose no or so, but I said it's optional. Whatever you want to choose. Let click use it. Okay, and customize. Also, I'm not using this laptop for gaming, so I'll take maybe more memory or so, but I'll use this creative or business, also school is important, and entertainments as watching videos or so. For gaming, play, discover gaming, keep up with new release. Maybe I'll just choose this. It's okay. Yeah. Okay, now click next. Here I'll use a phone. I don't want to use this. I'll just say maybe remind me later. You can add your Android phone or Apple phone to add it to your laptop as to add it to your Microsoft account too. Backup file OneDrive. This is also important. I'll click yes or next. Here I don't want this, so I'll just choose no thanks. No thanks. If you want to join for gaming and stuff like that, I say no thanks. Let accept. You can choose no or skip if you don't want Cortana on your laptop or so. It might take some memory or so, but you can disable that later if you want. Now pretty much all done. Now I don't use Microsoft Edge as a web browser, so maybe later. I always use Google, and pretty much that's it. So as you see here, Windows is completely fresh as a factory, and everything else is okay. So If this method didn't work for some people, or for some laptop they got kind of locked or virus or very slow, then the best other option is to download the video on the Windows 10 on USB flash drive, install it, insert here, restart your laptop. You can choose from boot menu, choose USB, and then continue installing. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Check out other videos in our multi-channel, and see you next video. If you have any questions regarding your laptop, please leave a comment below and tell us what is wrong, and we can maybe help to solve your if your laptop running slow or having any problem or so. We'll be more than happy to help. Thank you very much, and see you next video. So after when I did the full laptop reset, PC reset, complete wipe up everything, data, apps, setting, everything, that completely solved the problem. As you see now, um, before I have to plug the power supply in to make the computer kind of run little better speed, but now even without just the battery, only just the batteries, and the battery on safe mode, as you see here, the battery in lower performance, not even best performance, but the laptop running completely excellent. As you see, when I click on any video on YouTube, almost no a second or so, no time waiting or so, and that's pretty much solved the problem. I'm really happy. Here, if I choose fully performance, will be even faster. So that's how it's done. Thank you. But I always choose the best battery life here. You can choose always this one, recommended setting by the factory, which is for better long life for your batteries. Thank you, and see you next video.